So, hello coders, welcome to Refresh Coding. And today we are going to see how we can create a VPC, which is a virtual private cloud in Amazon AWS. And for this, first you are supposed to log in to your AWS console using IAM user login. And after that, you are supposed to go to this VPC dashboard. You can simply search it from here, like VPC, and you will get it. If you will click here, you will get this dashboard loading. So it will take some time and then it will load. So after this, you are supposed to go to VPCs. So right now, if you can see, there is only one VPC, which is the default VPC. But here, suppose I do not want to work with this default VPC. I want to create my own VPC. So for that, I will go to this create VPC option. I will create VPC. See, it is a little different than the older dashboard what you used to get for VPC. So here two options are there. Either you can create only VPC or you can go for VPC subnets, etc. So this is the normal way of creating the VPC, but there is one more easier way available. So if you will go to your VPCs and instead of create VPC, you go to VPC dashboard and you go for launch VPC Wizard. This is a better one. It is a new thing which is introduced in AWS. So it is the new create VPC experience, which is much more better and better than your older VPC creation dashboard. So if you will come here, see here you have two options. One is only VPC and second is VPC subnets, etc. So if you will go only for VPC, then you will have to manually create this subnets, route table and other things explicitly, and you will have to configure it with this VPC. So to avoid all these things, you can just go for this option, which is VPC subnets, etc. because it is better. So everything will be configured with your VPC. So here you just give a name to your VPC. So let's say this is you can say this is your demo VPC. After that, automatic it will create four subnets for you. So it will create one availability zone. It will create one public subnet and one private subnet, and in the other availability zone, it will create one public subnet and one private subnet. So if you don't want this private subnet, then also it's okay. So you can go ahead with the public subnets. After that, it will take this public IP, public subnet IP, which is this one. You are not supposed to change anything here. And then everything you will keep default only. Availability zones, automatic it will take two different availability zones for two subnets. And after that, you are just supposed to enable DNS hostname, DNS resolution. If you don't want to enable, you can disable also. If you want to add a NAT gateway, you can add, but it is not free. It is chargeable, so better not to add it. VPC endpoints are this S3 gateway, so we will keep it default only, and then we will go for this create VPC thing. So if you will see, it is creating the VPC and automatic with your VPC, it is creating other things as well, like host name, DNS resolution, S3 endpoint, subnet, and internet gateway, and it is attaching also your internet gateway to the VPC. It is creating a route table. After that, it is creating a route, and then it is associating route table with your VPC. Then so everything is done for you. Now you are not supposed to do all these things manually like we used to do earlier, and you can simply view your VPC now. So if you see, your VPC is available now. If you will go to your VPCs, you will see here demo VPC which you have created right now, and it is in available. After this, if you will see the details of this VPC, here all the details are there. Okay, where you can see the DNS hostname, route table is also created for your VPC. NetTwist is also associated with subnets, and everything is done. So your VPC is up and running. So now, if you want to create a EC2 instance inside this VPC, means you want to create a EC2 instance by using this particular VPC, then you can create it. That we will see in the next video. So right now we have seen in this video how to create a VPC. Thank you.